Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful called Pasquini Livia G4 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not having very good flow coming out through here, and that was basically because it was a combination between the big water pump and the two-way sauna. But for some reason it was not pushing water through the whole system, so we pretty much had to disassemble every single hose and check where it was stopping the flow. We noticed that it was on the pad on the three-way sauna valve, and it was not giving a good flow coming out through here, and when it was pressurizing, it was not depressurizing for some reason. So we replaced the water pump as well. We descaled the heat exchanger as well of this machine, which is basically what the whole coffee function line will be. This is run by the heat exchanger. This is warmed up by the heat exchanger. So we descaled that as well. We also check other stuff on the machine, and yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now I do not know how these buttons are programmed, so I'm gonna be using a manual. Because I want just 1-2 ounces of coffee. I'm gonna be having this one. Pre-infusion and extraction. As you can see, a nice shot of espresso. Pressurized R's. Can stop it now. As you saw, nice crema coming out from that shot. Looking great. We also replaced the shower screen as well of the machine. This one, as you can see, is not looking that great. Even though it's clean, it's not looking that great from here. As you can see, now we're having a nice steady flow coming out of the group head, working perfectly fine now, and nice. Steamer of this machine, as you see, nice and powerful. Hot water, working excellent. So there you have it, Pasquini Livia G4 working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.